Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing the October cloth and paper subscription box. So let's just jump right in. So inside the box we have a what's inside card, which is an overview of everything in here that I will be referencing throughout the video. And okay y'all, I'm intrigued and I want to start with the big item. So there is an accessory case, and so it says that our new accessory case is the perfect storage solution for your small accessories and cards. To keep your case looking fresh, we've included a set of 3 dashboard cards that you can display on the front page. Dashboard cards packaged separately. So let's open this up, and this looks like a photo album, and it's clear, so very like cloth and paper, very aesthetic. There's a white button, and I actually love this because this will be perfect for all of my sticky notes. They have 20 sheets, so you can fit 60 items of sticker sheets. You can fit sticky notes and planner cards and just so much stuff. So I really love this. Here is the dashboard card set, and so it's just one image, which is very cloth and paper, and so you can slide them in. And towards the end of the video I will actually set this up with you guys and put all of my accessories in here so you can see what it looks like. But for now, let's just go over everything in the box. So here is what the dashboard card set looks like. So it's a nice cover. And I mean, I'm probably not going to use it, to be completely honest. I am going to use the accessory case, but I'm not going to use the cover. I'm just going to have my accessories in there. But I love this. I absolutely love this. And it's exactly what I needed to store all of my different page flags from cloth and paper. So let's take all this out. And so we have that. There is also minimal sticker labels that come in here. And so it says this is the perfect tool to help keep track of all your planning accessories. Use your new ink pen to customize the last 4 labels to fit your own personal collection. So I don't know exactly where you would use these, but here is the ink pen listed in the description. So this is an oil-based ink pen, and it says that it's perfect to use with all of their transparent products. The oil-based formula will make smeared lines less of a thing of the past. So I'll probably use the stickers, and I'll get the transparent tabs from cloth and paper and use it to make tabs. But again, I'll do that at the end of the video and show y'all how I set this up. But we have those, and I believe that's everything that is for like this set. And here's just a closer look at the accessory stickers. There's also other labels so that you can not just use it in here, you can use it on like acrylic organizers or in your desk. So we have that. And then for this month, I did see the sneak peek, and so I actually switched to a personal size for these inserts. So these are the favorite products inserts. Keep track of all your small accessories using our new product inventory inserts. These inserts allow you to spot your favorite page flags and stickers all in one place. In addition to the new inserts, we've also included our December horizontal weekly inserts, which is the final set of our 2021 weekly horizontal inserts that will be in the sub box. So we have those here. So I'm really excited to use the favorite products. So let's open this up. So you have the inventory list, so it's name, brand, description, and then it's front and back, and then you have product details and then a blank spot. So this is where you can have a sticky note to see a color, a page flag, and so on. And so if you color code, maybe under details, you could put, you know, for budgeting for this, or if you use specific colors and specific planners, highlight the planner. And so it looks like you also get 2 product inventory, so you can do your favorite products and maybe put those like up front, separate them with a tab, and then you can use that as like your most used, and then do just a regular product inventory and section it off that way and separate the following inserts. Or you can just put them all up front and then just go in order of the list. It looks like there is 13, if I counted correctly, sheets. And so they are front and back. So that gives you 78 products. So you have room for 78 different products to put in here. So plenty of room. Again, I'm really excited for these, and I switched to personal so I can keep these in my personal planner, as I mentioned, just because I feel like that makes the most sense in my planner system and how I use my agendas. So we'll put this in here for now. After that, we have the 2 new dashboards, and these are layerable, so you can have these here. Again, I'm not a huge fan of the new styles, so I will be destashing these, but I do think that they're really cute. And then after that, we have the dome sticky notes. It says that this color palette was created exclusively for this month's box. There's a set of 4 matte sticky notes, and there's 25 each. And so these are all matte sticky notes, and these are all existing cloth and paper colors. So here is the list of colors. And I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to use these. I don't know how I feel about the dome part. I feel like I could definitely use these for reading though. So I might use these for like my textbooks, because I feel like that might be perfect. But we have those. After that, we have all of our planning cards. So here are all the journaling cards for the month. So we have our December 2021 matte card, clear card, our vellum quote card, and then a matte quote card. And this one is front and back. So you have a quote up front and then design on the back, and then should be able, yeah, to layer like these two. And then you have a quote on the front and on the back once these are layered. So that is everything in this month's box. So overall, I do like the box. I feel like people who don't like the accessory case are going to dislike the box since it's, you know, central around this, but I'm personally excited for this and really excited to use it. So I'm gonna grab some of my stickers and then we are gonna start setting this up. Okay, so I grabbed, I think, everything. And so normally I have everything kind of displayed on my planner cart, and so I still don't know exactly what I want to keep in here. I know I'm probably going to store stickers, but then probably the older cloth and paper page flags, just because I don't use them as frequently. Maybe some of the newer ones, I don't know, we'll see. And we'll see what fits. I know there's a lot, but these are right now are the ones that I primarily use, which are all the newer ones. But I grabbed all of my stickers. So I have these stickers from Infinite Lotus, these from PAPERIE Planning, these from Top Paper Co. And I'm just going to organize these a little bit, and then we will put them in. So I have all of the stickers in here, and I really like this. I love the way that it looks, and it holds a lot. Like, I think there's a total of 6 cards in here, which makes sense since it's supposed to hold page flags. But yeah, I have all of my stickers, and I think I'm actually going to leave like a page or 2 open, so that way I can add more stickers if I need to, and I don't have to move things around. While I was putting all this in here, I actually decided to put my most used accessories in here, and that way when I'm planning, I can just grab the book. And then I might grab maybe another one when it becomes available on the website, and maybe use that for some of my least used / archived page flags. So what we're gonna do is just go through these. So I have all of these here that we need to put in. So I think I'm gonna start with just the normal page flags. And then I'm also gonna leave room for more. And then I'm gonna follow the same color scheme. And then I think that's everything that I'm gonna keep in here for now. But everything fits in perfectly. There's so much more room, but we have that. And then now for the organization part. So we are going to use the transparent tab sticky notes from Cloth and Paper with these accessories sticky notes. I'm sorry, stickers. So my transparent ones fell off, so they're on the back. But we're going to take the stickers, one here, and just add it onto the tab. We might need to trim this. Yeah, I'm gonna need to trim this, but we have it on the tab. And then I'm just gonna place it up front. And then I have my stickers tab, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. All right, so here it is, and I love it. And I also love using the page flags for it, so that way it's easier, I'm sorry, the tabs for it, so that way it's easier to navigate to what I need. And yeah, other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.